Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, in the world of foldables, AI smartphones and futuristic tech, we're going back to basics and talking about a phone that might surprise you. This is the Manta MS2402, a device that proves you don't always need the latest tech to stay connected in 2025. At first glance, the Manta MS2402 looks like a blast from the past, and that's exactly what makes it special. With a 2.4-inch display, physical buttons, and a compact body, this phone offers a sense of simplicity that's rare in today's tech world. In 2025, more and more people are turning to minimalism and digital detox. Whether you're trying to focus more, avoid screen addiction, or just need a reliable secondary device, the MS2402 fits the bill perfectly. Its dual SIM has a removable battery, FM radio, Bluetooth, and even a VGA camera. No distractions, just the essentials. This phone is still popular among seniors, travelers, and people who want a backup phone that won't die on them after a few hours. The battery life? Outstanding. Days of standby time compared to hours on most smartphones. So, is the Manta MS2402 outdated? In terms of specs, absolutely. But in 2025, it's not always about having the most advanced phone. Sometimes it's about having the right phone for your lifestyle. And that's where the MS2402 still shines. If you enjoyed this video or still use a classic phone, drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, both new and nostalgic.